Welcome to EDU Aero Classroom. In this tutorial, we will learn about lines and angles in which we will cover lines parallel to the same line. Now we have a theorem here. Lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. It means, let's see in the figure, if line M is parallel to line L and line N is parallel to line L, then we have to show that M and N are parallel. Here, the transversal is cutting the three parallel lines, forming the corresponding angles here. 1, 2, 3. So, therefore, it is given that line M is parallel to line L and line N is parallel to line L. Now, to prove line M is parallel to line L. Now, it is given that line M is parallel to line L. Therefore, their corresponding angles are also equal. So, we can say that angle 1 is equal to angle 2, as we know that corresponding angles are equal. Now, line N is parallel to line L. Therefore, their corresponding angles are also equal. So, we can write here angle 1 is equal to angle 3, as the corresponding angles are equal. As these are corresponding angles because the transversal is cutting the parallel line M and N and the parallel line N and L. Now, comparing these both, first and second, we have angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Here, angle 2 and angle 3 are corresponding angles and they are equal. Therefore, we can say that line M is parallel to line N by converse of corresponding axiom. That according to this axiom, if two corresponding angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. Now let's do another example. It is given that PQ is parallel to RS and angle MXQ is 135 degree and angle MYR is 40 degree. We have to find angle XMY. To find angle XMY, let's draw a parallel line. Line AB such that PQ is parallel to AB and RS is parallel to AB. Now, angle QXM plus angle XMB is equal to 180 degree, as they are interior angles on same side. and we know that the sum of the interior angles on same side is 180 degree. Now it is given that angle QXM is 135 degree plus angle XMB is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle XMB is equal to 180 minus 135 degree, that is equal to 45 degree. Now we know that angle MYR is equal to angle YMB as alternate angles and alternate opposite angles are equal. So angle MYR is equal to 40 degree given is equal to angle YMB. Now by adding first and second we get angle angle XMY is equal to angle XMB plus angle BMY, that is equal to 45 degree plus 40 degree is equal to 85 degree. Now let's do another example. It is given that AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF and EA is perpendicular to AB, making an angle of 90 degree, and angle BEF is 55 degree, and we have to find the values of X, Y and Z. Now angle FED plus angle GDE is equal to 180 degree as they are interior angles on same side, so their sum is 180 degree. Now angle FED is equal to 55 degree, it is given, plus angle GDE is mentioned by Y is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle Y is equal to 180 minus 55, that is equal to 125 degree. Now angle Y is equal to angle X as they are corresponding angles and corresponding angles are equal when a transversal cut two parallel lines and it is given AB and CD are parallel. So angle X and angle Y are equal. Therefore angle X is also equal to 125 degree. Now it is given that AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. Therefore we have AB is parallel to EF. So we can write here angle BAE plus angle FEC is equal to 180 degree as they are interior angles on same side. Now angle BAE is equal to 90 degree given that, and angle FEC is equal to angle Z plus 55 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, Z is equal to 35 degree. So we have here Z is equal to 35 degree, X is equal to 125 degree, and Y is also the 125 degree.